Good morning, all of you. I am your social sir with you. Today we are going to discuss the topic partition of Bengal. Okay, so partition of Bengal is a continuation of last one class. So the lesson name is anti-colonial movement and the birth of nationalism. Okay, so today topic is partition of Bengal. Okay, so the partition of Bengal is happened in 1905. Okay, so that is the topic we are discussed in detail. Okay, in 1899, Lord Curzon was appointed as a Viceroy of India. So we are also known about the Great Revolt that is happened in 1857. Before, okay, so 1857, so that is a lot. That means the British crown was appointed in Indian administration in the name of Governor General of India. So in after 1857, so that is the English officials was appointed in the name of Viceroy of India. So the first Viceroy of India was Lord Canning. On this following, in 1899, okay, so that is a Lord Curzon was appointed as a Viceroy of India. Okay, so Lord Curzon was introduced a plan. Okay, so that is a plan name is a partition of Bengal. Okay, so one of the plan is a partition of Bengal. So he also made a lot of plans. So that is a lot of plans also having. Okay, one of the plan is a partition of Bengal. So he made all the plan, all the policies are also called that the undermine. Okay, and after that repressive measures. Okay, so and after that, that is a plan, that is a policies also restarted one. Okay, so in this circumstance in India, okay, are facing a lot of the problem in socially. Okay, so what are the problems means the famine, and after that uh, plague, that is also happen. Okay, so the famine, and after that the plague. Okay, so these are the problem happen in India, but he took not a solution of this problem. Okay, so but so he take the undermine the ideas of local self government, and after that the autonomy of higher education institution, and next one is a gag of the press. Okay, so these are the, that is a unfavorable, the unpopular plans, unpopular policies. So those are the plans and policies put by the Lord Curzon. So that the most unpopular policy, unpopular plan of that all is called as a partition of Bengal, that was put in a 1905. Okay, okay, students. So what are the plans? What are the policies are put by the Lord Curzon means the first one is a local self government and the autonomy of higher education institution, and next one is the gag of press. Okay, so that was put up. So these are the policies are. Okay, so what is the motto, what is the main aim means that is a restarted and repressive measures. So that is the policies are put by the Lord Curzon. Okay, so that is the most important one is okay, what is this partition of Bengal. The partition of Bengal was put in the year 1905. Okay, so that is why, and after that, so what is happened in India means the protest, the people of India protest against the these policy, that is a partition of Bengal, that the policies was opposed by Indian people, and this is the plan, that is the policies in India happened that okay, Indian nationalist movement. That is the movement also start after that the partition of Bengal. Okay, so and after that, so what is the idea? What is this partition also come front to that the Lord Curzon means. So he was devised. Devised means so that is that okay. So there is some of the organization also formed in India those time that was collapsed by this okay. So plans and policies. That is the motto of Lord Curzon. So what is the motto means? Devised to suppress the political activities against the British rule in Bengal. Okay, so that is the main motto of okay. Put the these kind of policies and plans. So and after, so this is a divided the Hindu Muslim divide. Okay, so that is happen in a Bengal. Okay, so that is why Lord Curzon put the plan, put the policy, so name partition of Bengal. Okay, so students, are you clear about that partition of Bengal? Shall we move to the next topic? Okay, so next one is a Hindu Muslim divide. Okay, so that is the special significant of partition of Bengal is the Hindu Muslim divide. Okay, so Bengal is one of the largest presidency of those time. So that is why okay. So not to administrate okay. So on this the Bengal region. So why? Because means so in Bengal having two kind of religion people. Okay. So Hindus and Muslims. So Hindu okay. So and Muslims, little bit of Muslims also having that. The minority Muslims also having that. So in this the okay collapse having in the Mughals period also, the Mughals rulers also not divided Bengal. Okay, so he was Bengal was united on the time of Mughal rule also. Okay, so but so Lord Curzon taking okay, so there is a problem of Bengal. Okay, so what is the name means Hindu and Muslim divide. And next so it was openly started the objectives of the partition. So curtail Bengali influence. Okay, yeah. So he thought that curtail Bengali influence. Curtail means a cut. Okay, so cut the Bengali influence. That is one of the most part of that the partition of Bengal. So that is why what is this objects means so that the weaken the nationalist movement. Okay, so weaken the nationalist movement. And next one is the curtail Bengali influence. That is the objectives of partition of Bengal. Okay, so next so that is Bengal under the two administration units. Curzon reduced the Bengali speaking people to linguistic minority in a divided Bengal. So Curzon assured Muslim that is the new provinces of East Bengal Muslims would enjoy a unity which they never enjoyed since the day of Mughals. Okay, so that was assured assurance giving by the Lord Curzon. So here the Bengal having a two administration. Okay, so one is a East Bengal. So East Bengal the major people of Muslim. Okay, another one is a Bengal. So Bengal having a people of Hindus. So there is the in Bengal the people speaking the language Bengali, but the East Bengal that is people speaking in a that's a Muslim Urdu language. Okay, and after that so which they never enjoyed the days of Mughals. That was assurance given by the uh, in a okay. So the Lord Curzon instead the dividing of Bengal people along the religious line partition united them. And the growth of religion language newspaper played in building a sense of proud of Bengali identity. So here So that is the partition of Bengal, that is also put in a okay, so West Bengal also happened there. In on those time also, that is the people not okay, uh, covered by the, so on the influence of Lord Curzon. Why? Because means so here the regional okay language of Bengali, okay, so that is a in the newspaper play a great role of the Bengali identity. Okay, shall we move to the next one topic, the anti-partition movement. So anti-partition movement, that means that is against of that the Bengal partition. Okay, that is okay, in Congress are also two groups also having there. The first one is extremist, and after that the moderates. Okay, so extremists means terrors, and moderate means that is plans, and that is program. Okay, so opposed to the British in the through the grievances. Okay, so in the critical of partition, initially the objectives of anti-partition campaign was limited to changing the public opinion in England. Okay, so that is a object and anti-partition campaign. So that is a limited, that is a not changing that is a society in the England also. So the protest through the prayers and press campaigning and petitions and public meetings, though these are the manners, the Indian people okay protest against the uh, English rule. That means the program, that is a policy of okay partition. And however, despite the widespread of the protest, okay, so that is why, so what is happened in India means, so that is a widespread of that wide protest of partition of Bengal that also happened. Okay, so that is the that the protection also okay, so happened in 19th July 1905. Okay, so next one, with the failure of annual the partition moderate leader, okay, a moderate okay grievances and public meetings and prayers, that is also came to be failure. So and after that okay, extremist that the force to moderate okay to put the struggle heavier to the English rule that was set by the extremist. Okay, so what are the techniques and they are okay followed means so they boycotted the British goods was okay, so in the name of Sudesi movement. Okay, so that is the time. So what is that okay handled by the Indian nationalist means Sudesi movement. Sudesi movement means that is a boycotted of British goods. Okay, so that is the annulment of partition and moderates very much against. Okay, so that is there is these the methods. Okay, so moderates not supported to the extremists, and so that is a full flagged and positive passive resistance. That is that is only okay, so that the ideas of moderates, the militant nationalist on the other hand. Okay, so militant nationalist means that is a okay, so extremist. So then the favor of extend movement and beyond the Bengal and initiated a full scale mass strength. Okay, so that the aggressive manner of restriction and struggle, that is why that is only okay, that is a solution of partition of Bengal, that is a thinking of extremist. Okay, so next one is okay, so the day of Bengal. Okay, so the 16th October 1905. So that is a very worst to okay, so that the feeling of Indians. So that is the day. Okay, 16th October okay 1905, that was declared as a day of mourning. Okay, a mourning means a sad, okay, a sad day okay of the Indian history that was filled. So the thousands of people took the bath of Ganga. Okay, so that the a lot of the people going to the Ganga, and after that the bathing also happened, and marched on the street of Calcutta and singing a Bande Mataram. Okay, so these are the things happen in a anti-partition movement. Okay, shall we move to the next one? So that is a boycott and Sudesi movement in Bengal 1905 to 1911. Okay, so the boycott and Sudesi were always interlinked. Okay, so boycott means that is a refusing okay English goods. Okay, so that is also called as a boycott. And Sudesi means of one's own country. Okay, yeah, so that means that is they are producing goods within Indian territories within the Indian product. Okay, yeah, that is also called as a Sudesi. And so the interlinked to each other and part of the wider plan to make India self-sufficient. Okay, so that if one person's having what are the needs. Okay, so those are the needs fulfilling themselves. Okay, so that is the motto of Sudesi. So that is what is the main plan to Sudesi means that self-sufficient. Okay, so that is a four major trends can be okay discount during the Sudesi movement in Bengal. So the first one is a moderate trend, and next one is a okay so constructive okay Sudesis, and next one is a militant nationalism, and next one is a revolution. Okay, so revolutionary terrorism. Okay, so these are also having the first one is the moderate trend. Okay, a moderate means that is the two groups of Congress. Okay, also having the first one is a moderate, and after that the extremist. The faith in a British rule. Okay, so what is the aim? What is this opinion of moderate means? They are also faith in a British rule. Okay, so that means very loyal to the British. That kind of group of Congress is a moderate. And their sense of justice and democratic practice. Okay, so they are following justice, and after that the democratic practice. So those also following the moderate trend. The moderate leaders were not ready. Okay, wrest power from the British in the one single movement. So okay, what is the ideas of moderate leaders means? So that is the British rule. Okay, are not put on that on a single struggle. Okay, a lot of the struggle. Okay, so they are following, then only the removing of the British rule that is happened. Okay, that was the ideas of moderates. Okay, so next so that is therefore the boycott and Sudesi movement was of limited significance of them. Okay, so that is why moderates following a boycott and Sudesi movement very limited one. Okay, so next one topic is okay constructive Sudesi. So okay, so on this the methods, the rejected the self-defeating the okay a modest approach of moderates, focused on the self-help through the Sudesi industry and national schools and okay attribution codes and constructive programs in the villages. Okay, it remained the non-political in nature. Okay, so that is why so the okay so what is this focus means that the Sudesi industries. Okay, so that means that the khadi industry. So that kind of industries also okay grow with the self-help, and the national schools and the attribution codes and constructive programs in the villages also happen. Okay, so those the times of Sudesi movement. It remind that the non-political in nature. Okay, so that is the these are the activities that is not influence of that the okay so political nature. Next one is the militant nationalism. So a section of Indian nationalists who had little the okay patience on the non-political constructive programs, they ridicule of the ideas of self-help and were more focused on the relentless boycotted the foreign goods. Okay, so that is and another one is militant nationalism. The militant nationalism is had a little patience for the non-political constructive program, and the ideas of self-help were more focused on the okay so militant nationalism. and they are also okay. So what they are doing means the boycotted okay foreign goods. Okay, that is also following okay a militant nationalist. Okay, so next one is revolutionary terrorism. Okay, a revolutionary means we are also knowing changing the society, that is also named under the name is revolutionary. So how to they are taking okay put the revolution means in the name of terrorism. Okay, so in the far more okay radical response to the British rule in India was the fight British with the violent methods. Okay, they are putting violent methods, and after that they are okay doing something. The British officials who are anti-Sudesi, okay, so those are called okay that the who's are okay approaching the violent means, that is also called as anti-Sudesi or repressive towards the native population were targeted. It is also marked that the shift from the mass-based movement to individual action. Okay, so these also happen in the okay revolutionary terrorism. Okay, so today we are discussed partition of Bengal. What is means by the partition of Bengal, and next one is okay. So that is another one thing is Hindu-Muslim unity, and next one is anti-partition movement, and next one is okay. So that is a boycotted Sudesi movement in Bengal that is happened in 1905 to 1911. So and the subheadings also having there okay the moderate trend and constructive Sudesi and militant nationalism and revolutionary terrorism. Okay, so these are the topics today we are discussed. So we are clear. I hope that these are we are clear, and if you have any doubt means ask immediately. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all.